counting system based on 20 instead of 10. This vigesimal system showcases their adaptability and creativity. Unlike our familiar decimal system, which uses 10 units, the Chuuki system operates on a base of 20, with digits ranging from 0 to 19. This method is not just theoretical, it's woven into their daily lives, from counting reindeer and fish to measuring time and sharing food. It's even integral to their traditional rituals and folklore, deeply connecting their mathematics with their culture. One of the most practical benefits of the vigesimal system is in managing grouped objects. For instance, when counting reindeer, the Chuuki can easily keep track of herds in groups of 20, ensuring each animal is properly cared for. This unique system, also used by the ancient Maya, highlights the Chuuki's ingenuity and their tailored approach to mathematics in harmony with their environment. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. GlobeGo, your support means a lot to us. Click on the video that's appearing on your screen right now. I'm sure you'll love the content. Comment below on the next country you'd like to see featured on our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for being